Okay, so welcome, and here's another example of multiplying fractions. So let's say you're given something like this. Okay, so again, we're going to multiply across the top. Okay, now, again, the order really doesn't matter if you want to factor these first and then multiply across the top, or if you multiply across the top and the bottom and then factor. The point is you want to make sure that everything is completely factored on the top and the bottom so you can cancel things out. Okay? Okay, so let's write this as, so we've got a greatest common factor up here, right, of 2. And then we've got a greatest common factor of 4 on the bottom. So we get that. Okay. And then this also factors. Okay. So this is factorable. So again, how do we factor that? Well, use the AC method, right? Or the method of decomposition. So 2x, so we do 2 times negative 15, which is negative 30. And we want two factors of negative 30 that add up to positive 1. Well, that means the two factors have to be really close together because this is negative, which means you have to have opposite signs. And so you're going to be subtracting to get positive 1. And the bigger factor is positive. So what are two factors of 15 that are really close together? Well, that's going to be 6 and 5. And so those are the two factors. So we're going to decompose the middle term using these two factors. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 6x minus 5x minus 15. And then we do factor by grouping. So now I'm going to factor out of the top. What do we factor out of the top? Is going to be a 2x. And so what's left behind is x plus 3 plus, and then we're going to factor out a negative 5. And we get x plus 3. And now what do we get? We get x plus 3 times 2x minus 5. And so now that's going to be what we're going to put here. So we get x plus 3 times 2x minus 5. And then on the bottom here, there's nothing we can factor on the bottom. So we get 3x minus 1. Okay, so now, if we put them together, we get one fraction. So multiply across the top and the bottom. And so we put all these together. We get 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 3 times 2x minus 5 all over 4 times x plus 3 times 3x minus 1. So now, let's start with the coefficients here. So 2 and 4 have a common factor of 2. So this goes to 1 and this goes to 2. Here's a common factor, right? These factors are the same, so this divided by that is 1. Okay? And there's no other factors. So now we simplify this and we do x minus 2 times 2x minus 5 over 2 times 3x minus 1. And that is in lowest terms. Okay? And so that's our final answer. Have a great day.